A vision of justice, the Indian Constitution's promise. The Indian Constitution stands as a beacon of hope, a testament to the dreams of a nation yearning for freedom and justice. Our founding fathers, deeply aware of the injustices endured during colonial rule, meticulously crafted a document that enshrined the values of liberty, equality, and fraternity. These principles, woven into the very fabric of our Constitution, serve as guiding stars, illuminating the path towards a just and equitable society. The preamble, our Constitution's soul, speaks of securing justice, social, economic, and political for all citizens. It is a promise of a nation where every individual enjoys equal rights and opportunities regardless of their background or beliefs. This vision of justice is further solidified in the fundamental rights guaranteed by our Constitution. The right to equality, enshrined in Article 14, ensures that everyone is equal before the law and entitled to equal protection. Article 15 prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth, striking at the root of historical injustices. The Constitution, in its essence, represents a commitment to dismantle the structures of oppression and create a society where every individual can thrive with dignity. However, the path to achieving this vision is not without its hurdles. Our Constitution, while ambitious and idealistic, was also a product of its time, reflecting the complexities and limitations of the socio-political landscape of newly independent India. The journey towards a just society is an ongoing process, requiring constant vigilance, dialogue, and a willingness to adapt to the evolving needs of our nation. The Constitution, therefore, is not a static document, but a living testament to our collective aspirations. It is a dynamic framework that evolves with us, guiding us towards a future where justice prevails for all. Shadows of injustice are initial limitations and marginalization. While the Indian Constitution set forth a bold vision of justice, it is essential to acknowledge that the initial framework was not without its flaws. The framers, while remarkably forward-thinking, were nonetheless influenced by the prevailing social norms and power structures of their era. This resulted in certain limitations within the Constitution that inadvertently perpetuated the marginalization of vulnerable groups. One of the starkest examples is the issue of caste-based discrimination. Although the Constitution explicitly outlaws untouchability and guarantees equality for all, it did not initially provide comprehensive measures to address the deep-rooted systemic discrimination faced by Dalits. This omission, though perhaps unintentional, allowed the scourge of caste prejudice to persist, casting a long shadow over the promise of social justice. Similarly, the Constitution, in its original form, did not adequately address the rights of women and religious minorities. Though it granted them equal citizenship, it lacked specific provisions to tackle the unique challenges they faced. For instance, the absence of clear safeguards against marital rape, sexual harassment, and unequal pay for women highlighted the gap between constitutional ideals and societal realities. These initial limitations underscore a crucial point. The pursuit of social justice is an ongoing endeavor. It requires a constant reassessment of existing structures and a willingness to rectify historical wrongs. The Indian Constitution, with its inherent capacity for amendment and reinterpretation, provides the tools for this continuous evolution. It is through amendments, judicial pronouncements, and social activism that we can strive to bridge the gap between the Constitution's aspirations and the lived experiences of all citizens.
Thank you and have a nice day. Click the subscribe button for getting more updates.